Hello and welcome to Fortune India macroeconomy roundup for the week. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said this week that the West Asia crisis is hurting businesses, MSMEs and citizens. FM said the government will safeguard the businesses and common citizens and maintain economic stability.
The West Asia crisis not only is a diplomatic or a geopolitical issue. For businesses and common people, it can mean higher fuel cost, delayed cargo, costlier shipping, shortage of inputs, pressure on working capital, and uncertainty in export orders. The approach, therefore, has been and will have to be to protect citizens, support MSMEs, safeguard exporters, keep supply chains moving, and maintain economic stability.
Meanwhile, ahead of the upcoming Monetary Policy Committee meeting from June 3, the government said the Indian economy has exhibited cautious resilience. It stressed that monetary, fiscal and structural agility are needed to safeguard growth and manage inflation. In the May edition of the monthly economic review, the Finance Ministry said strong services exports, adequate foreign exchange reserves, and a stable labor market provided a firm foundation. Highlighting the challenges, it said elevated global energy prices, a depreciating rupee, rising upstream cost pressures, and the prospect of a below normal monsoon calls for the sustained policy vigilance. The report said the West Asia conflict has emerged as a major shock to the already fragile global recovery, with its effects increasingly visible across energy markets, supply chains, trade routes, and global financial conditions. Cautioning about the price spiral, the report pointed out that the elevated energy, transportation and logistics costs have revived inflationary pressures and renewed stagflation concerns across major economies. In another major development this week, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said government will review the demands of equity investors and is open to re-evaluating tax system based on feedback from the investor community. In the wake of flight of capital from the domestic equity, murmurs on the high equity taxation have been growing, with investors, portfolio managers, etc. drawing a parallel between the FII exit and high taxation. Meanwhile, Quad foreign ministers meeting concluded in New Delhi, with one of the major takeaways being India-US rare earth supply chain alliance.
We are today signing a bilateral India-US framework on securing of supply of mining and processing of critical minerals and rare earths. This is something which we have also discussed today at the Quad meeting.
So that's a wrap for the economic developments over the week. For more news and updates, keep following Fortune India.